Here I have LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So first let's open camera, and here in camera just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. I'll just hold it and wait, what? I did it somehow just a moment ago, but right now my camera just don't react. Okay, so let's try once again. Hold down shutter button, and as you can see, after that the burst shot will start. I took like 12 shots right now. And as you can see, here we can review these burst shots. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.